Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix Meta Glasses speakers not working. First, open the App Store on your phone. Now search for Meta AI and update it to the latest version. Updating is important because older versions can cause sensing or audio bugs with the glasses. After updating, go back and open the Meta AI app. Tap on Get Started with Meta AI. Here, enter your mobile number and email address, then tap Next. Now enter the verification code sent to your email and confirm your account. Then tap Next again. After that, click Save. Now enter your username and name, then tap Confirm to complete your profile setup. Next, tap on Glasses from the top right corner. This is where all connected Meta devices are managed. Then tap on Shop AI Glasses. Now select your Meta Glasses model and make sure it matches your actual device so the app loads correct settings and audio controls. At this point, check if your glasses show as connected. If not, place them in the charging case, close it, and wait around 30 seconds before reopening. This helps reset the internal connection. Now go back and open settings on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then connect your Meta Glasses again. If they are already connected, disconnect and reconnect them once to refresh the pairing. Now open the Meta AI app again and select your glasses from the device list. If the speakers are still not working, the most common issue is wrong audio routing. While playing any audio, open your phone's Bluetooth or media output settings and manually select Meta Glasses as the active output device. Also check both phone volume and glasses volume controls, because sometimes media volume is high on the phone but low or muted on the glasses themselves. Inspect the speaker area on the glasses and make sure there is no dust, dirt, or blockage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.